Hi guys, I'm going to do a quick video for you. This is a pair of red denim Levi 501s in size 9 women's that I have tied off with some twine, just garden twine from the Dollar Tree. I've tried to get a lot of wrinkling, a lot of seams in it, all the way from one end to the other. And I'm going to use half and half bleach, half water, half bleach. I'm going to spray them down, and then I'm going to put them into a tub of water and let them soak and let the bleach kind of dilute and soak and see what kind of thing we get. Here's what it looks like before it goes into the bleach bath. It does have some nice big voids. Not sure what the bleach bath will do to those voids, but we're going to find out. Okay, getting a little color coming out into the water. I think I did try to submerge them. I don't think I want to put in any more water. I don't want to dilute it any more than it's already diluted. Then I'm probably going to let these set for about 10 minutes before I get them into the washer. And they will go through a short wash with 2 rinses, no product whatsoever, just water. Get as much of that bleach out and deactivate it as we can.